was looking like a fool when I met you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I just got something little. It's not something big, but I wanted to share it with you guys because it's actually something that I've had my eye on for quite some time, but I've kind of been teetering on whether or not I should get it. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see what I picked up from Louis Vuitton, then keep watching. Okay, so like I said, just to give you a brief backstory, so this is a little item that I've been wanting for a long time. I've been teetering. I actually had a $100 Neiman Marcus reward, so I thought, you know what, if I want it, now's the time to get it. I can put a reward towards it. And I also asked you guys what you thought in some of my prior videos, and I also reached out to Minx for All. I'm sure you guys have seen her videos. She's so great when it comes to like designer handbags and reviews and all kinds of stuff. And I really wanted her honest opinion from someone who, you know, had all of these pieces. And I was like, do I really, really need this? And she was like, you really, really need it. So I'm like, you know what? Check, I'm going to get it. I'm really excited, but this one, you might be surprised, is a little different. So what I'm talking about today that I picked up was the Louis Vuitton Pochette Cle. I've heard a lot of people call it the Cle Cle, but I was actually kind of corrected by some people in my last video saying that it's not called the Cle Cle, so I will call it the Pochette Cle for purposes of this video, just to make sure that I am correct when pronouncing it. But the one that I got was actually the one in the Damier Graphite canvas. So I initially wanted the monogram, or I wanted the Damier Ebene, but they didn't have either one of those. Actually, they did one day, but I put it in my cart and then I decided not to get it, and then it was gone. Those little babies go quick. So I picked up this one, which is a little different, and I will show you guys. Well, first, before I get into it, I do want to mention I do currently have two key holders right here. I have the Louis Vuitton pouch, and then I have this 6-string key holder. You guys, I love, love, love these. These are so great. One thing I can recommend to you guys, if you're on fence about buying from Louis Vuitton or anything like that, I would definitely recommend with starting with one of these. This one is definitely more inexpensive. This is $250, and this one retails more for about $440, which is really expensive. There is a spoiler ahead. I did do a comparison video between these two, telling you guys which one I did like better. This one is by far my favorite. So anyway, so knowing I had both of these, I wasn't sure if I really needed this, but so many people said there were so many uses for it. So I thought, well, I could maybe use one for a key holder, one for a gift card holder, you know, one to keep my earbuds in, that type of thing. So I really wanted to invest. So just knowing I have both of these, and I wanted to get this. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I won't make you guys wait anymore. So again, like usual, it comes with the normal Louis Vuitton receipt, which I always hang on to, and then it comes boxed really, really nicely. Open it like this. It comes with a little dust bag, as you can see. Louis Vuitton. And here we go. So here it is right here. Again, this is the Damier Graphite canvas. Now this one is actually in the men's section, but I thought to myself, you know what? This actually might come in handy for me because I love a lot of black handbags, a lot of black accessories. It's just kind of my thing. I really, really enjoy that. And this one, it also had the silver hardware, which I'm a huge fan of silver hardware. I absolutely love that. So, and I just thought this one was a little different. I don't see it very often. So that's another reason I opted to pick up the Damier Graphite canvas as well. So let me tell you a little bit about it. So let me give you like an up close so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. So the measurements, it is 5.31 inches in length, 2.76 in height, and then 0.59 inches in width. And I've been told, I've done a little research on it, I've been told that they kind of revamped the Pochette Cle a little bit to make it a little bit thicker. So you can see on the side here it is a little wide, which I was happy about because I thought, oh good, I can fit a lot of cards in there, because sometimes if I'm on the go, I like to throw my license, a credit card, maybe a store credit card, maybe a gift card, and before you know it, it really adds up. So I need something that can really hold up. So you know the measurements. I think this is so cute. cute. I think it's classic. It has the Damier Graphite coated canvas, which is nice. The thing I like about this, if you spill anything on it, it wipes off really easy. If you just want to use like a baby wipe or something like that, it's just really, really nice. It has this silver zipper right here. I don't know if it's gonna show up. I'll try. But it has the little LV logo. Has this little D keyring right here, which is really, really nice. And I will be honest, like it took me forever to figure out how to open this. So what you're going to want to do, I was trying to open it like this and push down, but you actually want to push up and you open it. So when I looked at this, okay, so then you open again, and then you open. This is going to have the cowhide lining, so you can see the inside. It just also comes with the barcode, which I always usually hang onto, so you can kind of see how large it is on the inside. So this is nice because I thought what you could do, you could use it in a multitude of ways. You could use this as a key pouch. You could put cards in it. You can use it as a key ring, so I could put my key here and then I could also put it in there. Or I could keep my key on the outside and I could just put cards. So I really, really like this, you guys. I might not have needed it, but so many people said so many good things about it. I really wanted to add this to my collection, and I had been thinking about it for a long time. And a lot of times when I do end up purchasing luxury items, usually if I like can't stop thinking about it, and that's when I know that I kind of need to invest in it eventually, because it's not going to be a spur of the moment item. I really have put a lot of thought into this, and I knew that I wanted it, and I think I'm going to get like a lot of use out of it. Like I said, key holder, card holder, coin purse, you can put earbuds in it. And I think that's one thing Minx for All said. She was like, you know, she doesn't necessarily always use it as a card holder. She'll put earbuds, that type of thing, and you could probably even put a charger in it. So let me kind of show you what this looks like in comparison to these other two. And I know that I did a comparison between these two. If you want me to do a comparison between all three, so that can really help you guys narrow it down, if you just wanted to have one of them, let me know. So it's going to be kind of hard, but let me try to put them up. You can see this key pouch is a little taller and bigger, and then you have the 6-ring key holder. Let me open this up so you can see what it looks like. This is what I currently have my keys on now. And this one does have a card holder on the inside, and you can see how this looks. You can see this one looks like it's a little thinner. So I am really, really excited to use this. Again, I'm happy that I went with the Damier Graphite, because I feel like this one is really different and unique. You don't see it very often. So I will use this and I will give you guys an update, but I can't imagine that I won't like it. I mean, this just seems like it would be great. Actually, the minute I get done filming, I'm going to transfer my keys onto it. I'm going to use it today and then use this as a card holder. Now, one more thing, I just want to take some cards to kind of show you how they fit. So right now I don't have my ID upstairs with me, but I do have, this is just like a movie appreciation card, and then I do have like a business card. So these are just two, and I want to show you kind of how they fit, and they do fit very comfortably in there. So I think you could get quite a few cards, which makes me very excited. It zips very easy. So you guys, I am super excited about this. So thank you guys for all your nice comments, giving me a recommendation. I want to thank Minx for All for giving me her recommendation too. I reached out to her on Instagram, and she's so sweet. So if you haven't checked out her videos, you definitely should. She does a lot of great reviews. So yeah guys, so let me know down below if you want to see a review and a comparison between all three of these. I probably won't do it anytime soon, because I definitely want to use this a while before I can kind of give you my like honest review and opinion on it. But I have no doubt in my mind that I'm gonna like it. It just is really cool, and like I said, I'm happy that I picked up this one because I feel like it is a little different. Plus I do have a lot of black accessories, so I'm excited to use it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, like usual, leave it down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you join me over there. I've been posting a lot of outfit pics, and you guys seem to really enjoy those. I hope you guys are having a good day. I will also be sure to link this down below to some pre-loved sites as well, Fashion File, Real, just in the event you don't want to pay full price. But they also do have new items as well, so I'll try to find this and I'll link it down below. So I hope you guys again have a good day, and I will see you in my next video.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya. all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya.